Hi, I'm Gita. I'm a member of KSRPMI Ganesha Dharma Mahasaraswati Denpasar University. And this is my friend. Her name is Lilis. She is one organization with me. As we know, recently Indonesia hit by various disasters. Disasters are extraordinary incidents that are mostly caused by nature and human factors. Because that, it will be fatalities, material loss, and environmental damage.
So many disasters was happen. Like recently, in some areas of Bali, it's flood disaster. A flood is an overflow of water that submerges land, whose height exceeds the normal limit.
So, what's the impact of the flood?
People can be injured or killed by flooding. The second one is difficult to find clean water. The emergence of various diseases such as malaria, skin disease, and others. Damage to property and infrastructure.
I see. Philip, yes? What causes flood? Based on the internet, floods are often caused by
All of that can happen because of high rainfall for a long time. Cutting trees, poor handling of waste,
Actually, everything that happened can prevent with disaster mitigation.
Disaster mitigation is the effort to use the ability to appropriately and quickly respond to disaster.
Disaster detections. For example, checking the prediction weather and searching for information from the parties involved.
Education about awareness of danger and the flood impact.
Availability and understanding with early alert.
Involve the community participation like planting the trees.
Making big boreholes for water catchment areas.
Development plan management flood areas such as maps for the high-risk area and evacuation area.
so we should change our bad behavior which always involves disaster mitigation and keep out the risk behavior which is can make a bad impact for ourselves or the other people in the future.
If we didn't start today, then when?